Awesome. So yeah, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another video on this channel. And today it's time for another photography session. And today I'm using the Canon EOS R5 and currently the EF 70-200 2.8. I also have the RF 35mm with me, so maybe we can take some macro shots. But yeah, we will see. So today I'm at this location here, and I think maybe we can find some good spots. So there's another duck. Let's try to capture it. Too dark. Yeah, we got it. Nice. So let's see what we can find back there. Let's go back. I don't think that we can find anything special here. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so now I switch to the RF 35mm, so we can get these little macro close-up shots as well, because there aren't that many opportunities here for a zoom lens. Of course, we could take a few photos of these towers there, but I don't know. Let's actually try capture here something. Yeah, let's give it a try. Let's see. Oh yeah, that is way better. Let's take a few camera shots. I think this might be a great idea too. Let's see. Oh, perfect. That is looking great. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, perfect. Maybe let's try to capture this here. So currently it is way easier to go for these detailed macro shots because there aren't that many good locations here that you can use. But if you go into the details, it is way better. So that's why I switched to the RF 35mm macro to have this opportunity to get really close and to get these special shots. So if you're out there in the nature and you can't really find good spots, maybe think about to use a macro lens and get these detail shots instead. So let's take a picture here. Look at that. So finally some way more interesting spots here. I think this one here. Oh my God. Yes, that is perfect. Oh yeah, look at that. And yeah, exactly, that's why I always have the RF35mm in my backpack, so I can switch to it if I need it, because sometimes these detail shots can actually help you to get some good results. Just with the 70-200 it would be way harder. And that's a great one. Yeah, that might be a great one. So let's head in this direction again. Great. So I think that's it for today. We already got a couple of great shots and I'm really happy with these results. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.